Hello everyone. Welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 67 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is System Verilog. Today's topic will be System Verilog OOPS. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. We have already started a System Verilog OOPS series in Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel, where we have started covering a lot of OOPS concept. Lot of more videos are going to be uploaded. In case you didn't already check it out, please go through System Verilog OOPS series. You will find some solutions to these questions there also. And whatever solutions are not available, those videos will be uploaded soon. Let's see today's question. The first question is, what is a class? In class, we can have a virtual class. What is a virtual class? Then we have a concept called as inheritance in OOPS. You need to explain what is this inheritance and with the help of syntax. I'll urge you, if you can create a coding example having an example of inheritance, that will be good. Then in classes you can have super, abstract and concrete classes. What are these? What is the significance of super and this keyword? We have a this keyword in OOPS. What is the significance of this keyword? What is inheritance? We have already covered in third. And here you also need to tell its advantages. What is polymorphism and its advantages? Then what is encapsulation? In class, you will have some class variables. The scope of these variables can be either private, public or protected. What is the difference between this? If you declare it as private, public or protected, your variables or even the class methods, what is the difference? How will you be able to access these? Can a constructor be qualified as protected or local in System Verilog? Difference between structure and class. Difference between static and automatic methods in class. Difference between this new and this new function. Difference between shallow and deep copy. How does OOP concept add benefit in verification? How can you use one class inside another? Explain this with an example. Solve these questions today and tomorrow I'll see you for day 68 challenge. Best luck.